And on the cool Smith, Clayton Wallace, Michael Clayton, slowly and down. It seems to be athlete in a North Korea. Elaine, I suppose.
So, breaking news, Tia Clayton opens up her season at the Central Hurdles, where she ran a time of 7.14 seconds in the 60 meters. Natasha Morrison was second in 7.18 seconds. There is no doubt that Tia Clayton is going to be the next big star in Jamaica, especially when she made it to the final round in the Paris Olympic. Although a lot of haters back then came out in the after she ran the Paris Olympic, and they were complaining that um they were not satisfied with her performance at the Paris Olympic. She failed their hands. That she was supposed to get a medal. So she disappointed them. That's what a lot of fans, they displaced their anger towards Tia Clayton. The fact that Shelly and Fraser Pryce was not there, Elaine Thomson Herah was not there, and Shericka Jackson was also not there. But I feel like Jamaicans need to appreciate this girl called Tia Clayton, because I mean she is representing Jamaica very, very well. In even in the big stage, right? I'm very sure if luck was not in her side, but I do believe if luck was on her side that day, she might have been the winner, because I've seen her run multiple good times. So I feel like Jamaicans should stop complaining about Tia Clayton not getting them a medal at the Paris Olympic. They should start being grateful, because countries are looking for athletes like this. Um, but at the same time, other Jamaicans are so happy with Tia Clayton for making it to the final at the Paris Olympic. In life you have people that will love you, people that will criticize you. So it's not a new thing. It's not a new thing. No matter what you do, people have something to say, right? So right, it is what it is. um so a lot of people are saying that Tia Clayton is going to be the next Shelly and Fraser Price, the next Shericka Jackson, the next Elaine Thompson. But among these three best Jamaican sprinters, who do you think Tia is going to be more like? Is it Shelly, Ellen, or Shericka?